Okay, so in this section, I'm going to talk about on-page optimization, and this is assuming you've got a WordPress site. So when you hover over the tab, you can see on this page the title. And what I mean by that is the text that's found in between the title tag. And that is what Google recognizes as the topic for the page. And it's not only there for Google, but when the people do searches and end up on the search engine results page, that's what they see. They see the big blue text there. That's the title, the text found in between the title tag. You've also got other ways of grabbing someone's attention, and that's with a well thought out slug or URL. And finally, we have the meta description that we can add to all of our pages to help entice people to click through. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is the fact that the heading tags H1 to H6 are actually strictly to be used for setting up the hierarchy, not for simply formatting text. So the H1 is an example of an HTML tag, and then strong would be what you would use for bold. And then H2 is the subtopic, so the subheading. Now back in WordPress here, I wanted to show you a quick edit. I can add the title tag here, and I can also add the meta description. Now there are keyword rules to also be aware of, and it's simply to use them as much as possible in your title and meta description. And this will help Google know even more so what the page is about when your site gets crawled. So let's just take a peek at that. And if I right click and inspect, I can see now within the head tag that I've got the title tag and the meta description within the code. Okay, so for this section, your call to action is to log in to WordPress and make sure that your client's pages have been marked with title tags, meta description, and that the heading tags have been used strictly for setting out the hierarchy, kind of like we would with a table of contents in a book. So you've got your main topic. That's usually the heading of the page, so H1. And then you've got your subtopics and so on and so forth. So with that, I will leave you to it, and I'll see you within the next section.